Once you receive your INSTAACARD, start by setting up your digital profile. Download the INSTAACARD app from the Play Store, App Store, or by scanning the QR code mentioned in the package. Open the app and log in using your email, ID and password. Use the credentials created during your order or follow the instructions as mentioned in the thank you letter. After logging in, you will reach your dashboard or home screen. From the bottom navigation, go to the Profile section. Tap Edit on the top right. Now add your profile picture and cover photo. Fill in your name, company, designation, contact details, and address. Once the details are filled, tap Save. You can then add your phone number, email, website, social media links, documents, portfolio, PDFs, and address, along with location to your profile. Finally, preview your profile to see how it will appear to receivers when they open it through your INSTAACARD. Your INSTAACARD profile is now set up and ready for tap and share.